Unlock the world of cryptocurrency with this ultimate beginner's guide to Trust Wallet, the secure and user-friendly mobile platform that puts your digital assets in your pocket. First things first, download the official Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it up and tap Create a new wallet. This is where your crypto journey truly begins. This next screen is the most crucial part, your recovery phrase, also known as your seed phrase. It's a 12-word key that grants access to your wallet. Write these words down exactly as they appear, in the correct order, and keep them in a safe, offline place. Never share this phrase with anyone. It's your sole backup. To confirm you've secured your phrase, Trust Wallet will ask you to re-enter it. Simply select the words in the correct order from the options provided. This ensures you have a reliable backup. Congratulations! Your wallet is now set up. You'll land on the main dashboard. Here you can see a list of supported cryptocurrencies and, importantly, your wallet addresses. To receive cryptocurrency, tap on the coin you want to get. Then select the Receive option. This will display your unique wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. Share this address with the sender, and they can transfer funds directly to your Trust Wallet. Sending crypto is just as straightforward. Tap your desired coin, then choose Send. You'll need the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Double-check the address and amount before confirming. Your transaction fees will be displayed, which are network transaction costs. Beyond just storing and sending, Trust Wallet also provides access to decentralized applications, or DApps. Tap the DApps icon to explore various services like decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces, staking platforms, and more, all directly from your mobile device. For enhanced security, explore the settings menu. You can enable biometric and lock like fingerprint or Face ID, ensuring only you can access your wallet even if your phone is unlocked. This adds an extra layer of protection for your valuable assets. Trust Wallet is your gateway to the decentralized future. Start managing your crypto securely today.